Okay, this is Aiden and Jaredon. We're taking out the CPU. First thing, we take out the cover. We already done that. And now we take out the heatsink, which is partially done already. Okay, we got that out. Now, Aiden, will you take out the CPU, please?
Next, we
Good
take
friend.
out the CPU. Oh,
Alright, we got that out. Then we gotta wipe up the thermal paste.
thermal paste.
Thermal paste. Okay, then you gotta wipe out the thermal paste on the heat sink. Right here.
Oh,
Okay, now that's out. Now that to reinstall it, we put the thermal paste back on both of them. So Aiden, if you would.
I really want
Now, let's flip it over so we don't make any
to.
accidents.
Right?
Yes. Producer!
Right? Oh, make sure I put it in right. Hold on, make sure you get it right.
All right. Yeah,
Okay.
it's aiming the right way. We're good.
Okay. Where's the big screwdriver?
Now that the heat sink's back on, we have to
Screw back.
That's a good sound. I'm gonna make sure it's all tight and nice. Now the heat sink's back on. Plug back any cords you've taken out during the process.
Come over here, right there. Is that all?
Just a moment.
That one goes there.
Good job, producer.
Where did it go? Oh.
This one goes down there. And then when you're done, you put the case back on.
Keep closing.
Ta-da!
Beautiful.
Okay, done.
Oh, make sure I put it in right. Hold on, make sure you get it right.
All right.
Which
That's
way?
it's aiming the right way. We're good.
Okay. Where's the big screwdriver?
Now that the heat sink's back on, we have to
Screw back.
Yeah. That's a good sound. You want to make sure it's all tight and nice. Now the heat sink's back on. Plug back any cords you have taken out during the process.
Somewhere over here, right there.
Is that all?
No, there's some more.
That one goes right there.
That doesn't go there.
And it does. Oh no, it doesn't. Where does it go?
Good job, producer.
Where does it go? Oh.
This one goes down there. And then when you're done, you put the case back on.
Oh, got it, yes.
You're capable of things. Ta-da!